The red represent Hong Wan Tong Tao. That means forever lucky. The green is forever young, 青春永驻. Then the yellow represent gold bars, means you are always wealthy. The lei is 順順利利 forever very smooth. Yeah. Then 鮑魚咧，包你年年有餘啊。Now we put in the gold flakes, abundance of gold flakes. Next is 花生，生生猛猛 means always active. Now we add in the gold dust. Make sure you are very wealthy. This sauce is made of plum sauce. 大吉大利啊，甜甜蜜蜜 ，forever sweet. OK， 撈起撈起，撈啊撈啊，撈到風生水起啊，興啊開啦，身體健康，心想事成啊，生意興隆。On behalf of Victoria Harbour, I would like to wish everyone here a very happy and prosperous Chinese New Year.